Hello everybody, I'm here to bring you this week's PE activity. Okay, I'm in a beach class today because that's the only space that's free at school. So I thought bring some PE from beach class, which would be nice. Okay, so we're going to practice our hopping today. Now, last week we had a bit of a go at balancing, so we were balancing on one leg, and our hopping is very, very similar to that. So we're going to use some of the skills that we looked at last week. Okay, what you're going to need today is, I've got some skipping ropes for this, but you could use sort of anything that you've got lying around your house, as long as they can make a cross shape on the ground like so. Okay, so I've used skipping ropes. Okay, you can use whatever it might be that you can find that can sort of make a cross shape like so. Okay, once you've got your cross shape, what we're going to do is we're going to use it to practice our hopping, and we're going to hop from the different sections of our cross. Okay, so I'm going to choose a leg to balance on, so I'm going to balance on this one. And when we're hopping, all we're doing is we're balancing on one leg, but we're jumping at the same time. Okay, so we're hopping on one leg from the different sections into the different parts of our cross. Okay, so I'm going to hop forward into this one. Okay, then I'm going to hop sideways, ooh, be careful to balance, into this one, and then I'm going to hop backwards, ooh, into this one. Okay, so as you can see, it's very, very tricky, and you might need to have a little bit of a practice at this. Okay, so then we're going to go sideways, forwards, sideways, backwards. Okay, and it should look, hopefully, a little bit like that. Okay, once you're feeling pretty confident with that, what you can do is swap over. So this time you're going to do it on the other leg. Okay, so exactly the same, we're going forwards and then sideways and then backwards and then sideways. Okay, now if you want to, and if you've got people at home that want to do it with you, what you can do is you can create a little bit of a challenge. So maybe you could have a race, see who could complete so many laps of our course the fastest. Okay, so this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be one lap round our course. So maybe you could have a race, see who could go around the fastest for maybe 5 times or something like that. Okay, so that is this week's PE. Hope you all enjoy it, even though it's a little bit tricky. If you want to let me know how you're getting on, just leave a comment under the video. Okay, so I'll see you all soon for next week's PE.